What if I told you ranking on Google alone is no longer enough in 2026? Yeah, SEO didn't die, it evolved. And now there's a new strategy taking over the digital world, OmniSEO. So what is it? Think of it like this. Earlier, SEO meant one thing, Google rankings. But today, people don't search in just one place anymore. They search on Google, they watch on YouTube, they scroll on Instagram, they even ask AI tools for answers. And that's where OmniSEO changes everything. Instead of optimizing for just one platform, OmniSEO makes your brand visible everywhere your audience searches. Let's break it down. 1. It's not search engine SEO anymore, it's search everywhere SEO. Your content now has to work on Google, social media, voice search, and even AI assistants. 2. One message, multiple platforms. A blog is no longer just a blog. It becomes a video script, a social post, a short answer, and even AI-ready content. 3. Consistency builds authority. When all platforms tell the same story about your brand, AI systems and search engines start trusting you more. 4. It's built for how people actually behave. In 2026, users jump from search reels, AI answers, reviews before making a decision. OmniSEO follows that journey. 5. The real game changer, AI visibility. Now it's not just about ranking on page 1. It's about being the answer AI systems choose to show. So here's the truth. If your SEO is still focused only on Google, you're playing yesterday's game. Start thinking beyond SEO. Start thinking OmniSEO. Because in 2026, visibility doesn't come from one platform, it comes from everywhere your audience exists.